Hello, if you can't add a photo to a contact on POCO X7 Pro, then here is the solution. So most of the time, if you go to the contact and if you want to add a photo, then you can simply press this pen icon in the top right corner, and here you can change the photo or add a photo and so on and so forth. However, in some cases, you might see that there is no way to set up a photo. And the reason for this is actually pretty simple. It is because you have the contact saved on your SIM card. If you have a contact saved on the SIM card, then you cannot set the photo for that contact. So you need to actually transfer the contact and save it either on your phone storage or add it to your Google Contacts. And in order to do so, you can, for instance, import all the contacts by going to the Contacts app. So you need to find it, for instance, in the app drawer. Go to Organize at the bottom, then scroll down and go to Manage SIM. Over here, if you use 2 SIM cards, then you can choose which SIM card you want to manage. If you have just one, then you won't see this. So let's press OK. Now over here, we will find all contacts that are saved on our SIM card, the selected one, of course. And here we can see Save To. We can tap on this option in order to choose where we want to save this contact, where we want to import it. We can choose Google Contacts, so our Google account, or our device. So let's say I'm gonna stick with my Google account. And now we can press import over here in the top right corner, and then you are asked what should happen with the old contact, so the one that is still on the SIM card. You can either keep it or you can delete it so that you don't have the contact on the SIM card anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!